Okay, I have decided to do a beach pour on this today. It is solid wood. I'd say this is at least an inch. I got it from Joann's at half off. I bought 7 of them. This one had a little bit of a couple lines here, so I did sand it down, which I was going to sand it down anyways, just to try to take a little bit of the gloss of it off. It wasn't too glossy, so I probably would have been fine, but I had to sand it anyways because of the lines that were right here. I bought a few of these because they're so well made. I was excited. A long time ago, I bought a few of these at Michael's, and it's crooked. And I didn't realize that they were crooked, and they're very, very thin, and I didn't tape off the backs. I mean, that's really skinny. To take the backs off of that would be ridiculous, and I kind of liked the idea of it being completely covered. This is more of a balsa wood, so it's a thin wood, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's just, it has not as nice finished edges, and so it'd be kind of a pain for me to sand these edges, especially with the arthritis in my hands. It would take me forever, or it would take my very nice fiance forever to do, I should say. So I decided that when I saw these, I was like, this is the way to go. I still have a lot of these. I have, they say home, they say love, and they say blessing. So I still might do something with these. It's just for now, this is the way to go. I have a big craft fair coming up in July, and I'd like to do some beach pours on here, maybe a couple of rainbows, maybe some blues and teals, maybe some sage green colors. That seems to be a popular color for decorating. If you have any suggestions for colors for these, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to know what colors people like to use for decorations. But anyways, I'm going to get started on this. I cannot talk through it. It is in the 90s today, and with these 2 studio lights that I have on above me, it's hot in this room. Even though the air conditioning is going, I'm going to be turning on a fan also, so you will not be able to hear me, but so I ramble on, so maybe that's a good thing. Anyway, so let's see how this works. Okay, I am not gonna do too much more with this. I'm gonna let it dry and then I will work on the sand afterwards, after it's dry. So far, I think it's pretty cool. I wanted there to be a little bit more blue, but when I tilt it down, I lose a little bit more sand, which I guess is okay because I could just put it back on. Yeah. But for my first attempt at this, I really like it. So, like I said, I'm gonna let it dry and then I will just pour a little bit of sand, which I think is how I'm gonna do the next one, is that work on the waves in the water. I mean the waves in the water, and then do the sand last, just so that I can, because mostly the effects that I like are with the water, and where the waves crash is more important to me than the sand right now. So I think that's how I'll do the next one too, is concentrate on getting the blue and the white the way I like it. But so far, pretty cool. It was a little bit of a trial. This is very thick, so I really wanted it to look seamless all the way through when you look at it through the inside, which might take a smaller paintbrush than what I have right now today, just to make sure that it looks kind of seamless when you look through too, because it's so deep. Anyways, I will be back.